Welcome to ClickFix tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of high-speed chases and epic car stunts as I show you how to download and install Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open up your browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser will do. Type Steam into the search bar and hit enter. We'll go to the official Steam website. Once you're on Steam's homepage, look for the Install Steam button at the top right. Give it a click, download the setup file, and once that's done, open your File Explorer and begin the installation process. It's simple like any other software installation. Don't worry if you don't have a Steam account yet. You'll get the chance to create one during the installation. If you already have an account, simply sign in. After signing in or creating your account with Steam, navigate to the Store section located on the top left. In the search bar, type Need for Speed Most Wanted. When it pops up, click on it. Then click Add to Cart and View Cart to proceed with the purchase. Choose your preferred payment method, enter your details, and finalize the purchase by clicking Purchase. With the game now in your library, and then you can download and install it. And that's it for this tutorial. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Have you got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy racing.